Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of high-performance vehicles with the all-new 2025 BMW M5. Let's kick things off under the hood. The 2025 BMW M5 roars to life with a formidable 717 horsepower plug-in hybrid powertrain. That's right, this beast combines a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, cranking out 577 horsepower, with a high-tech electric motor producing an additional 194 horsepower. Total torque? A staggering 738 lb-ft. And BMW claims it can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. Now, let's admire the exterior. The M5 features an eye-catching design with M-specific touches that scream performance. Check out those flared wheel arches and the sculpted front apron. And let's not forget the standard adaptive LED headlights with a cornering light function, ensuring you see and be seen, day or night. With M shadowline lights adding a sleek darkened trim, this car truly means business. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by BMW's stunning curved display, a combination of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment display. It's all about that tech-savvy luxury. The latest xDrive software is at your fingertips, allowing you to adjust your seating position, initiate automatic parking, or even activate the iconic Sounds electric system, enhancing your driving experience with unique sounds. Now, all this luxury and performance comes at a price. The 2025 BMW M5 starts at a cool $119,500. Not including the $1,175 destination fee. So when can you get your hands on this beast? The new BMW M5 is set to hit dealerships in the USA around November 2024, making it the perfect holiday gift for yourself or the car lover in your life. That wraps up our look at the all-new 2025 BMW M5. Are you excited about this powerhouse? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews.